How to configure the transformer differential protection application with process bus. The application describes how to connect the transformer differential protection using current measurements that are directly connected to conventional current transformers on the high voltage side of the transformer, with current measurements that are acquired through merging unit on the low voltage side and which are converted into the standard IEC 61850-9-2 sample measurement values SMV protocol, and received in the 7UT85 transformer protection relay via the Ethernet interface. For this application case, the master clock is enabled on the protection relay, which saves the use of switches and external master clocks. With DIGC5, which you can see here, you can parameterize the merging unit as well as the protection device. This is a great advantage when you are using process bus. Only one software for protection relay and merging units. On the left side you can see the devices which are prepared. We start with the client, which is the subscriber of the process bus. The 7UT85 is going to receive the information from the merging unit, in this case 7SJ85. We open the 7UT85 and have a look at the device information. You can see the name, IEC 61850 name, and the addition of the IEC. First, we change the name of the relay to 87T. We change the IEC name to F87T. For the addition we keep 2.1. Now we go to Hardware and Protocols. Here you can see the device which received the information from the merging unit. We configure the application now. We configure the IP address. In communication we select the protocols which we require. Since this device is going to be the client which receives information from the merging unit, we select the IEC 61850-8-1. This device can then publish MMS and send goose messages. We will also select 9-2, client functionality, to receive sampled values. Now we go to measuring point routings. We have 2 measuring points for current and 1 measuring point for voltage. In PB client, we assign the information which we receive from the sampled values. We click on Routed and the red marking appears. This means we need to configure further in the system configurator. In the voltage measuring point, we will also assign the measuring point which we receive from the process bus. From the client perspective, we need to set up the clock. For the process bus technology, we need sample synchronization. We need a device that tells the network that it is synchronized. In CProtect 5 device we can enable the functionality. We click in the menu Protocols on Network. We select IEEE 1588 and click on Yes. We then click on Settings and enable OC Grandmaster Capable. After that we can select the PTP profile 61850-9-3 2016. We go back to the device and check if we have done everything correctly. We need to start synchronizing the hardware. Now the client is parameterized. From the protection perspective, we can see the different protection functions which we need for the transformer. We have the differential protection, overcurrent protection for example for the side 2. For transformer side 1 we have for example overcurrent protection with thermal overload. Now we go to configure the merging unit. Please note that we will use a protection device which will act like a merging unit. Let us start. We go to the device information and change the name to 50. We change the IEC name to F50 and keep the addition. We then go to Hardware and Protocols and then click on the Ethernet module. We leave the IP address as it is. We go to Protocols and then Communication. We select both IEC 61850-8-1 and 9-2, merging unit. Please note that it is possible to receive information from another merging unit. This means the device can work as client of process bus and server of process bus networks at the same time. Then we need to configure the sample synchronization for the sampled values. We click on Network and then select IEEE 1588. In this case, we receive the information from the client. Our client is our 7UT85, which is the master clock for this small configuration. In Settings, we select the profile which we use for PTP. We will also select the box at Slave Only. For the clock type, we use Ordinary Clock Slave Only. After that, we go to the Merging Unit Routing. We need to define what the merging unit will be publish. We route the current measuring points and voltage measuring points. In Settings, we can define the stream that merging unit is going to publish the sample values. We can choose the stream type. We selected IEC 61869-9. With this step, we have finished the configuration of the merging unit. To exchange the information between the publisher and the subscriber. For that, we use IEC 61850 System Configurator. We click on IEC Station 1. We add the F87T and F50 to the 61850 station. We export the changes to the IEC 61850 System Configurator. Then the System Configurator is open, and you can see the SMV menu to connect the sample values. Here you see the destination catalog and the source catalog. On the top, you can see the information which the merging unit is going to publish related to the current and voltage. We will connect this information with the transformer protection F87T. In Power System measuring points are the current and voltages that I can connect directly to the merging unit just with drag and drop. Then we save and close it. Now we go back to DIGC. And we import the changes from the IEC 61850 System Configurator. We select the device we want to import, and we got the message that the information was successfully imported. With the SeeProtect Digital Twin, it is possible to test our configuration. To do that, we need to export the information from DIGC to SeeProtect Digital Twin. In DIGC, on the project tree, you can do right-click on the project and select Export. Export the simulation file and then import the file in SeeProtect Digital Twin. Click on Project and then click on Import the simulation file. Now you can run the simulation as you can see here. You can interact with the relay as if you would have a hardware in front of you without any work of wiring and test your application.